Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something every web designer love. Free premium quality theme from ThemeForest. Yes, you heard the right, completely free. Let's get started. What is ThemeForest? ThemeForest is world one of the biggest marketplace for website templates, themes and digital assets. They have everything from WordPress and HTML template to plugin and UI kits. Normally, these themes cost anywhere from $20 to $80, but here's the secret. Every month, ThemeForest release a handful of premium item for free. How to find free themes? Finding these free gems is easy. Just go to themeforest.net or search it on Google. Then click on the download our best free website themes and you can see the free themes will be here, and it was written how much it was cost and it was now free. And simply you can click on these themes to preview. Each month you will find a few premium items including WordPress themes, HTML templates and even plugins. All free for that month only. Themes is free on this month. Click on this preview icon and give it a few seconds. Your preview will be ready soon. Example of free themes. You can see in my screen this theme called Mars. It's a creative portfolio theme and smooth animations perfect for showcasing your work. Our another theme was Willow, a charity WordPress non-profit charity WordPress theme, a modern WordPress theme perfect for non-profit organizations, fully responsive and customizable. You can see the previews. When you click on the preview, you can see there is a lots of for non-profit organization. You can choose one of them for your personal portfolio, website or the organization. Things to remember. One thing to note, these themes are free for a limited time, usually just for a month. Once the offer ends, they go back to in the regular price. And while they are premium quality, you will not get future update unless you purchase the full version later. Final thoughts. If you are a web designer, developer or even just a starting of your own site, these free ThemeForest themes are a gold mine. I will leave the link in the free files page in the description. Go grab the before they're gone. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more web design tips, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.